Thank you for joining me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is the Sacral Chakra reading for Tuesdays. I do one of these each and every day. They're very short and sweet to help us attune the chakra designated to each day. So today we have the Sacral Chakra, and from the Art Oracles card, we have Allegro Boetti. Whether stemming from intellectual scouring or simply low self-esteem, the conceptually driven work of this artist always questions states of originality and wholeness. He signed many of his works, signaling his own duality by using two different signatures. An ardent traveler, some of his most famous pieces are world maps that considered ever-changing geopolitics and the world's distribution of power. He collaborated with embroiderers in countries such as Afghanistan and Pakistan, and his art purposefully muddled the order of lazy assumptions in language or geography, investigating new meaning and probing old habits. And to offer some support to that card, I always bring in some other chakras, either associated with the earth or the heavenly realms. And this one will be an earth one. It's the well chakra. Our card is from the Myth and Mermaids deck, and it's my tentacled friend. An exhausted sea maiden holds on limply to her octopus companion. She is overextended, tired, and in need of rest, revitalization, or rebirth. Her parlor suggests depleted energy and waning vigor. You have become overextended, like an octopus who has stretched each arm in a different direction. The overextension has left you weak, vulnerable, and haggard. It is time to reduce your obligations and draw inwards for a time. Decide upon your highest priorities and release those duties that no longer aid you or are not as important as they once were. Reclaim the parts of yourself, both mentally and physically, that are being improperly used, and let them rest for a while. When you are feeling stronger, put them back to use constructively if you see the need, but do not let yourself get so overburdened again. Always keep an arm in reserve for a surprise task that is near and dear to your heart or fuels your personal ambitions. And that's the end of this little micro reading. I hope that you thoroughly enjoyed it. Please join me for any of the readings I have to offer on the channel. Much love to you.